Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today's topic read. Read and match the words to the correct pictures. Dear students, first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. The first picture is fort, and here are the spellings of fort. Now we will match the fort with its spelling like this. Next one is yo-yo, and here are the spellings of yo-yo. Now we will match the yo-yo with its spellings like this. Third one is clock, and here are the spellings of clock. Now we will match the clock with its spellings like this. Another one is ox, and here are the spellings of ox. Now we will match the ox with its spellings like this. Here is doll, and here are the spellings of doll. Now we will match the doll with its spellings like this. Last one is frog, and here are the spellings of frog. Now we will match the frog with its spellings like this. Here is drum, and here are the spellings of drum. Now we will match the drum with its spellings like this. Next one is duck, and here are the spellings of duck. Now we will match the duck with its spellings like this. Another one is umbrella, and here are the spellings of umbrella. Now we will match the spellings of umbrella with its picture like this. Here is jug, and here are the spellings of jug. Now we will match the jug with its spellings like this. Here is sun, and here are the spellings of sun. Now we will match the sun with its spellings like this. And last one is hut. And here are the spellings of hut. Now we will match the hut with its spellings like this. Okay dear students, it's our today lesson. I hope you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.